So today we're down in the Canunda National Park on the Limestone Coast.
Yeah.
Trench meat. Yeah, so there's 6 campgrounds here. Not sure what the fees are. So there's a toilet block just in there. Hey Didn, we're getting Reynolds here. Thanks for joining us. We have an exciting one coming up for you today. So today we're down in the Canunda National Park on the Limestone Coast. I've just left Carpenter's Rocks and we're on a trip that's going to see us finish up out at Millicent. I never been to this national park. I've got one of my good mates, Slotty, this young fella, Nico, basically giving me a tour. It'll be a bit of forward driving. Should be okay. Hopefully we're not going to get into too much trouble as we are riding solo. I'm going to show you a camping spot, a beach camping spot that not many people know about. It's definitely a local spot, so you're in for a bit of a treat there. I understand it's probably one of the nice beach camping spots in the area down here that's really quite protected. So anyway, enough crapping on for me, let's get into it. Trench meat.
Yeah.
Trench meat. Well, that's kind of on me, and I'll show you in a sec. That's kind of on me. I said, all right, if you're going to do this, it's up to you how cool it's going to look. I thought I'd give myself plenty of room, but so there you go, as you can see it. So I think I'm right from up here down, but my pants are satched and we only just started. Alright, so we've arrived at number 2 rocks. Now this is an area that I was mentioning before. That has a little camping area which is just over here a bit. We'll show you in a second. I'll see if I can get the drone up. It's a little bit breezy because we're up here, we're elevated. The drone might strafe a little bit, but we'll have a look anyway. Basically it's just a little bay. So where we are now is it's just a mat, like it's all rocks down there, right? Hence it being the limestone coast, but it's just a little section of beach which is probably 100 meters long. You can drive your 4-wheel drives up there like you've seen. The tracks getting through here are pretty mild. Give you a quick look at the bay and then we show this little camping spot down here. So yeah, if you want to, I mean, it's been about an hour and a half drive. Pretty keen to come back here again and actually do some camping here because it looks nice. It's a nice beach. It's all protected as well from waves and those types of things, so it's all pretty safe for the kids. And yeah, it's be a nice spot to pull up stumps, that's for sure. Anyway. So this is the spot down here that you can see. I'm hoping it's not too windy, but down here sort of you're protected. So it's obviously a bit of a ledge here. You got the walls here, but basically you're protected from the wind. So basically the wind comes from this way or it comes over from that way there, and there's probably enough room for 2 or 3 cars in there. And down over, where are we? Down over the back over here, there's actually campgrounds there. There's a toilet there, that sort of stuff, but we'll have a look in a minute and we'll show you. Alright, so we're just at the number 2 rocks campground now, and I'll put up the footage now of us driving in. Yeah, you wouldn't get a caravan in. You would get through in a camper trailer. I'd definitely bring ours down here. I'm just checking out the campgrounds now to be able to give you a look. So yeah, so there's 6 campgrounds here. Not sure what the fees are, but once I work it out, I'll chuck it up on the screen. Super secluded from the wind, hey, like I think it's probably, I don't know, we're probably 100 meters off the beach. And as you can see, so basically this is the area that you drive in. So there's a toilet block just in there. So this is the number 2. The number 2 campground, and that's literally it there. There's sort of, I thought it was just like a track. I started walking through there, but that's it. So that's basically one of the campgrounds. And then, so then we got number 3 here. Yep, same sort of thing. And this one's got a little camper trailer, which is pretty cool. Yeah, definitely a camper trailer area, that's for sure. You know, rooftop tents, or tents, those types of things. You know, even swagging, a swag in here would be nice. Alright, so here we are at Lake Bonnie, and let me tell you, it's quite a sight. Sand dunes for days. Yeah, Lake Bonnie's massive. I never knew this was here. I can't believe it. Used to live less than half an hour from here, and never bloody knew. But just goes to show, as you get older, your priorities in life and change, and you start exploring more, and you can see some of these amazing places. It's just bloody ridiculous. So what you got here is got the ocean that side, so all the way around there. That's all ocean all the way around there, and then just this side is Lake Bonnie. So it basically starts up here and it goes all the way around there, and obviously see not sure if you can see them on camera, but basically wind farms on the other side there the whole way around as well. So yeah, the boys bought out there, bought their bodyboard again, because you'll see in a sec how big these hills are here. So if you've got a bodyboard or a big bit of cardboard, you can ride those down and have a great time. So again, a great area to bring the kids, and I'm going to crack a tinny in a second, and just to spend a bit of time here taking it all in. This is an amazing place. If you get the chance or you're passing through, make sure this is on your list to do. It's bloody beautiful. This hill you definitely could make if you let your tyres down. Obviously the driver's a bit lazy. Got a bit of a nice rocky bit there, just seen coming through, but yeah, let your tyres down, you can definitely have a bit of fun up here. But looks like a pretty good view, so I might have a look. Alright, so we've arrived in Millicent now, which is, so basically the tracks sort of come out onto the blacktop there, which I showed you, and from there it's about 5k to town, and then from here it's about 50k or a half an hour's drive back to Mount Gambier, which is what we're about to do now. So so a bit about the track, like we didn't let the tyres down, didn't need any safety gear at all. We had a lot of fun. So any capable four-wheel drive would make it through there, no worries at all. There was cars and girls driving through as well, not having any troubles. There's also areas big puddles, big big bloody water crossings. So there was harder things you can do if you want to, like if you want to challenge yourself and have more of a crack. There is those options, but each time there was sort of harder points or big washouts and those types of things. There was always chicken tracks there as well. Yeah, look, there's plenty there for, you know, all different levels of experience forward driving. Definitely wouldn't take a caravan through there, but definitely would take an off-road. Like I'll take my off-road camper trailer in there, no questions at all. I'll let the tyres down a bit on the trailer in the car, and you get through there without too many problems at all. So definitely a couple of different camp options is there as well. There's a lot of different beach access areas for the whole track. There wasn't just the couple that I showed you. There was maybe another half a dozen beach access tracks as well, and you can drive on the track there without any problems as well. So how long did it take? We probably left at 11 o'clock. It's like 4 o'clock here now, but we took our time. We stopped for half an hour and had some lunch and those types of things, so you can knock it out in probably 3 hours without too much stress at all. So go as slow as you want or as fast as you want. So that's it. We'll wrap this video up now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I had a great time with being with my good mates here, and let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and you know the deal. Like the video if you can, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't as well. It's what we love doing. We're keen to do more of it. So that's it. I'll wrap it up. I'm Deez for Getting Around Oz. Thanks for watching. Catch the next one. Cheers.